A vessel is in the form of inverted cone. This is cone. This is inverted cone. Its height is 8 centimeters. Height means this one. 8 centimeters. Radius of its top. This is top. Radius is its height is 8 centimeters and radius of its top, which is open, is 5 centimeters. This is 5 centimeters. This is open. It is filled with water up to the brim. This is called brim. Up to brim there is water. When lead shots, these are lead shots, dropped into the cone, then how much water will be out of this one? Thus, that must be equal to the volume of these lead shots. We don't know how many lead shots are there. Each of which is a sphere of radius. This ball is like this, of radius 0.5 centimeters radius, are dropped into the vessel. 1/4 of water, from here 1/4 of water is coming out of the cone. That must be equal to the number of balls into volume of ball. That means ball means here lead shots. Therefore, number of lead shots into volume of this lead shot is, it is in spherical shape. Therefore, 4/3 pi r cube. 4/3 pi r cube is the volume of sphere, is equal to number of lead shots into volume of each lead shot, is equal to 1/4 of water coming out of the cone. Therefore, 1/4 of cone volume is 1/3 pi r square h. We should not cancel r cube and r square r times, because this radius is different from this. Radius of this one is 5, radius of this one is 0.5 centimeters. Therefore, consider this as r1 and r2. Height, it has height, but no height for this. Therefore, in this formula, no height. Now, 3 divided by 3 becomes into 3. Therefore, 3 get cancelled. Into pi becomes divided by pi. Therefore, pi get cancelled. Now, n into 4 into what is r? You should be conscious. This 4/3 pi r cube is formula for this one. Therefore, you have to write r. This one 0.5 means 5/10. R cube means 3 times 5/10. 5/10 is equal to 1/4 into what is r2? Radius of this cone 5. Square means 5 into 5. What is height of this cone? 8. 4 2 times. 5 2 times. 5 2 times. 2 2s 4. 4 get cancelled. 5 2 times. N is equal to 5 into 5 into 2 into 5 into 5 into 2 into this divided by 2 becomes into 2. 5 5s 25, 25 2s 50, 50 2s 100 lead shots. That's all.